Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. Classic RPM vlog for today. I got really nothing special other than, I know just yesterday we hit 100K Bitcoin, which is insane. I think it went up to almost 104,000 Bitcoin. So congrats to all you guys. But as of recording, I think right now Bitcoin's 97. So it's dropped down quite a bit. It's been quite volatile. Otherwise, it doesn't affect GPU mining. This is what I want to talk about today in this video. So hopefully you guys enjoy. So what I want to gather from you guys is, what are you GPU mining right now? And what are your goals? Let me know down below, because I want to give away a GPU in this video. Okay, so right off the bat, we're gonna give away a, what is this? I think this is a Power Color RX 5700 XT 8GB. All right, this is a Power Color one. All right, so comment down below what I just said. Just give me your thoughts on what you guys are GPU mining right now and what is your plan going forward into 2025. Okay, so comment down below. I'll choose the winner after, let's say, 12 hours after this video is uploaded to my loyal viewers, loyal subscribers who watch my channel day in and day out. This is for you guys. Here we go. We're going to be doing GPU giveaways constantly, guys. So stay tuned. So I just wanted to talk out of my head here. Okay, just what I've been seeing over the past, I guess, couple weeks here. So we've seen quite a few GPU mineable proof of work coins actually price appreciate. And so there's actually been an increase in profitability for GPU miners. Okay, I think it up to like 20 cents or something. I did a video a couple days ago, but it's been sustaining. So I haven't really seen a lot more hardware come online yet, but at the same time, a lot of prices of those coins, like let's say Zealous, Aleo has been going up as well, and a bunch of other proof of work GPU mineable coins are going up as well. I haven't seen them like dominated yet. Like I haven't seen an influx of like a lot of GPUs coming online and, you know, taking advantage of the profitability, depending of course on your electrical cost. So in my case, as most of you guys know, I have around 8 cents per kilowatt hour electrical rate, and so I'm able to actually profit probably a good 20 to 30 sometimes 40 cents depending which GPU it is per GPU. And just to let you guys know right now, what am I mining? Okay, well currently I am mining Aleo on all of my GPUs. Everything is on Aleo except for my Radeon 7s. My Radeon 7s, which are in this MinerDude X8 Extreme. You guys can see the red square dot in there. It's the Radeon 7 corner. Okay, they're all mining Ergo. And you guys may be saying, what Ergo? Are they actually profitable on Radeon 7s? And yes, they actually are. Just to show you here, I just had to update this rig, so it just restarted. But looking at the hash rate I'm able to get on my Radeon 7s, getting about, looks like it's fluctuating. I'm supposed to get about 103, 105 mega hash per Radeon 7 at about 70 to 80 watts or so. The whole rig itself is pulling about 1121 watts. So that's pretty good. So you guys may be asking, Red Panda, is this actually a profitable mining rig? And yeah, for me it is at 8 cents per kilowatt hour. It's not much, but I'm trying to accumulate more Ergo. So it's okay for me now. But otherwise, I got everything else on Aleo on this farm here. And yeah, I've just been majority mining Aleo. I actually hit my goal of 1,000 Aleo. I don't know if some of you guys heard me talk about I was going to be mining Aleo a while back, and yeah, see, I hit 1,000 Aleo here, okay, on CoinEx. So right now, that whole bag is worth about almost 1,800 bucks. So I'm still waiting for Aleo to have the Bitmain ASIC miner announcement and also price appreciation, which we've seen just a little bit. Okay, Aleo has been going up just a little bit. So I'm still mining and hodling all my Aleo, mining it on F2 pool on majority of my GPUs, and also my other GPU farm as well, my 3070s at my other location. And you guys know my barn location, which I have not been able to go up there. I've just been so busy, and I may be traveling soon, and so I don't know if I'll get to it because I have like 40 CMP 10210s just sitting there, and also the Octominer X12s. Those PCSP ones are just sitting there. So I'll try to get to it as soon as I can, but I know some of you guys were asking, so I just wanted to let you guys know what was up with those. Anyways, guys, I also just cleaned up my basement here. It was just a literal mess, but now it feels good. It feels much better. Anyways, let's continue on. So GPU mining right now, I guess for majority of people that were, I guess, home miners, those that have really high electrical prices, I know it was a hard bear market. A lot of people were not able to continue GPU mining, and so a lot of people got out. But for those that stuck with it, for those that had semi-decent electrical prices and continued on to believe in the, the 4-year cycle of Bitcoin and also, I guess, altcoin season, which it seems to be coming up here, we are now seeing the fruits of our labor, of those that have been mining and holding coins finally seeing, price appreciation on a lot of said coins, which I don't think a lot of them have topped yet. So 2025 may be the insane year where we see a lot of coins start going up. And thus, in turn, does that mean GPU mining is gonna see like, $1 a day, $2 a day on a single 3070 or something like that? And I'm gonna have to say, yes, that time is still coming. I truly believe that will still come, but is it gonna be sustainable for like a long period of time, like Ethereum was back in 2021, where we had pretty much the whole year of profitability? We shall see if that plays out, especially how we have a lot of things going for crypto right now, especially how we have a lot of things going for, I guess, crypto as a whole right now. So I'm hoping that all of 2025 is going to be just a money printing year, not just for like ASIC miners, right? I have an L9 here and a KS5M, but also GPUs. I think GPUs will come back to that time again where we're going to see, inflated prices of GPUs, people buying like, 3070s for $500 or something like that. I don't think RX 580s are going to come back to that time. Maybe at most, maybe $100, maybe $150. But I actually saw, I think like at 8 cents right now, an RX 580 is actually profitable mining block X, which is quite funny. Anyways, yeah, I've just been seeing a few other older GPUs actually becoming a little bit, profitable, or at least break even, depending on your electric. Of course, I got GTX 1060 3GB cards here. This is my OG cards I got back in 2017. Still works. I don't know why it's off right now. I think oh no, I had to turn this off. Actually, I had to turn off a few GPU mining rigs because of this freaking Antminer L9. I had to bring it here because I already was at max capacity and power at my other location. So yeah, this L9, yeah, I had to turn off some GPUs because I'm already maxed out here. But in the barn, I do have 2 more 30 amp 240 volt circuits that I'm gonna turn on, which you guys saw, the 10 Octominer PCSPs that I want to fill up. But that will be for another video. Anyways, guys, it's been a crazy time over the past couple of weeks. You guys have been seeing a lot of, a lot of the market go up, a lot of coins go up. And hey, this is just a shout out to like all the old OG content creators you guys see on my wall here. My sticker wall. This is, oh man, I really got to start a new one at my other location. I have all the stickers of everyone's. I want to like, make it much bigger at my other location. But yeah, I miss my sticker wall here. Everyone that's on this wall here, you guys need to make more freaking content. This guy right here always calls me out. This bald looking guy right here, DJ Mines, this guy. Anyways, BTC, almost 90, oh no, I guess it was 100K earlier, but we're at 97,645 as of recording. You guys will see this video the next day. But yeah, it's just a crazy time. And we've been seeing alts like Zealous, right? Prominent GPU mineable coin, which has been going up as well, right? It's been doing pretty good over the past, I think 7 days here. It's gone up from like $5 to almost 12, I think at one point, $12. So GPU mining, right? It's on the up and up here, and I hope Zealous continues to rise up and also help just alleviate that, I guess, how do you say it? Like just the amount of hardware that's on a lot of networks, or maybe that are potentially offline. I haven't seen it, take over yet, okay? So it's been sustaining so far. GPU mining in terms of profitability has been on the up and up here over the past couple days, but I'll keep you guys updated. I guess the whole name of the game still for a majority of people is still mining and holding. Like that's the crypto mining strategy for a lot of GPU miners, even back then, right? Spec mining was always a thing, right? Even before Ethereum, before 2021, spec mining was always there. But I think this time, right, we got a lot of different coins that have the potential to just go up into new all-time highs again, like Raven coin, for instance, or Ergo, right? Ergo had some life in it. There's been a lot of coins that have been having some life. Even Neoxa, Kapow algorithm coin, that has also been going up. Narai, Chlor is another prominent one. They're seeing it all, like Narai as well. I saw Narai recently go up as well. So whatever coin that you guys are mining, please let me know down below. Like let me know which one you guys are bullish on, and I guess that's going to coincide with the 5700 XT giveaway here. Okay, so guys, comment down below. All right, your guys' coins that you guys are mining, and let me know, I guess, what your plan is for 2025 as well. All right, so I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out. Oh, I found this motherboard. I'm gonna replace that RedTech in that 6x6600 XT rig, which I've been mining Narai, or I haven't been mining Narai, but it was mining Narai over the past like half year ago, but now the past 4 months it's been off. So I'm gonna replace the RedTech board with this 12 USB motherboard that I found sitting. So I'm gonna, hopefully this thing works. It's got a SATA SSD there too. Whew, got a lot of these little guys too.